Hello everyone, let's look at how to detect worm activity in your network. Let's first understand what a worm is. A worm is a type of malware that can spread from one computer to another. It can replicate and spread across a network without needing to attach itself to a host program. Worms often target specific services that have known vulnerabilities. These services act as entry points for the worm to infiltrate the system. A worm typically starts propagating when users accidentally download it through malicious email attachments, file shares, drive-by downloads, or infected USB drives. Once the worm is downloaded, it executes its code and begins to create copies of itself. The worm then scans for other vulnerable targets on the network. It does this by scanning for devices running a vulnerable service. The worm then begins to exploit these vulnerable services on the targeted devices and then copies itself onto the new device. In environments where services are shared among multiple devices, example shared file systems, print services, a worm can quickly spread across all connected devices by exploiting the shared service or by installing multiple services on compromised systems on the network. A worm can also install multiple services to increase its chance of survival. If one installation is detected and removed, others can remain active to continue spreading. Also, multiple installations can distribute the workload of spreading and infecting other systems. Some worm variants can also install multiple services with slight variations in code or behavior in an attempt to make it harder for antivirus and security software to detect and block all instances of the worm. Worm infections within the network may be launched with the purpose of escalating privileges, compromising systems, stealing data, or even creating botnets to launch DDoS attacks. This leads to business interruptions, not to mention legal repercussions if there is data loss. Let's now navigate to the Log360 interface to understand how worms can be detected using Log360. Log360 is a unified SIEM solution that offers pre-packaged threat detection capabilities that help detect a range of commonly occurring threats. Once you log into the solution, you can navigate to the SIEM module and then to the correlation tab at the top. On the left, you can view all predefined correlation reports. In the search bar, enter worm to search for reports on worm activity on the network, and this pulls up the possible worm activity report, which shows you worm activity in the network that Log360 has detected. We will come back to examine this information in just a bit. Let's first understand how Log360 detected the presence of the worm in the network. Log360 comes with predefined rules, which are a set of events that occur sequentially and indicate a possible threat. To understand how this rule is configured to detect worm activity, navigate to Manage and look for the name of the rule in the search bar. This pulls up the pre-configured detection rule to detect possible worm activity. By clicking on Copy Correlation Rule, you can view how this rule is configured. Log360 detects possible worm activity on the network by monitoring the number of service installations. The rule is triggered when more than 5 of the same service installations takes place within a duration of 15 minutes. Since several service installations of the same name are taking place in quick succession on multiple devices, it is highly likely that a worm is propagating and trying to establish itself on the network. We can now return to the pre-built report in Log360. Here you can view all instances of worm activity. Clicking on Event Timeline allows you to view the series of service installations that have happened for a particular incident. You can click on Details to view other information like Event ID and Log-on ID. With the event IDs, you can track other behaviors associated with worm propagation, such as sudden spike in outbound connections. The Log1 ID can help you track the origin of the worm and if it has accessed different systems. Now, here are some ways in which you can deal with and prevent worm infections on your network. You can use Log360's SOAR capabilities to stop suspicious processes and services and even disable computers that are compromised to limit the spread of the worm throughout your network. Log360's Incident Workbench allows you to take a deeper look at core digital entities like users, devices, and processes to conduct faster root cause analysis and better incident investigations. And to prevent worm infestations from even entering your network, ensure that you have patched all your software. User education on safe cyber practices will also definitely reduce the odds of any malware entering your network. For further queries, you can send us an email at log360-support@manageengine.com. Thank you for watching this video. You can also go ahead and download a free version of our solution at the link provided. This is at no cost and zero risk, and you can try our product in your environment for 30 days.